In this video, I'm going to show you how to unlock creator mode on LinkedIn. Start by opening LinkedIn and heading to your profile page. Once you're there, look for the section called Resources just below your profile headline. Click on the Resources button. In the menu that appears, check if there's an option for creator mode. If you see it, click on it to begin activating it. If you don't see creator mode here, click on the Me icon in the top right corner. Choose Settings and Privacy, then go to the Visibility tab in the left-hand menu. Scroll down and check if Creator Mode is available there. If it's still not showing, LinkedIn hasn't enabled it for your account yet, and you'll need to wait until it's available. When you find Creator Mode, switch the toggle to On. LinkedIn will walk you through choosing your content topics and updating your profile layout. Once you've completed the setup, click Save. Creator mode will now be activated, giving you extra tools like creator analytics and improved profile features. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more LinkedIn tips.